Welcome. In this video I will show you how to restore the forgotten PIN code on your Microsoft Surface Studio 2 laptop. In such case you have to click I forgot my PIN, then wait for a moment, and then you can restore your Microsoft PIN code either through your email if you have the Microsoft account connected with your machine, or if you have the locally set up account, then you're gonna have to answer one of the security questions, and after answering the question you'll be able to set up a new PIN code for yourself and then restore the access to your machine. But if you don't know the answers to your security questions, then you're gonna have to reinstall Windows on your PC in order to regain the access to it. In such case, we have a separate video on our channel which is titled how to reinstall Windows from USB on this laptop. But in my case, as you can see, I have a Microsoft account attached to this computer, so in such case we have to click send code, then enter our email address and check our mail and find the Microsoft one-time code there and enter it into this field. After entering this code, click sign in, then wait, click continue, and then enter the new PIN code. Once the page loads, enter it in the first field and confirm it in the second one. Make sure that you remember it this time. Click OK, and the access to your account will be regained. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.